I got you, man. Let's take a look. How long has it been like this?
Like 2 or 3 days.
Was it dropped or?
Yeah, it dropped. Man, you dropped it?
Want to hold on to that?
2 days ago. What it looks like.
All right, the top screen still functions.
Yeah, it freezes.
I got you. It's gonna take me like 20 minutes.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna be right in the car. Got you. All right, guys, the phone is ready. Check it out.
Give it to her. It's her phone.
And I put a screen protector on there, free of charge for you. You're back in action. Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
All right, man.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Take care. Have a great day. Let me know if anything, all right?
You too, man.
Take care.